Really neat. These are so adjustable. They close up like that. They lock closed. If you look right there, and you can open them up. Oh, geez, I just dropped it. And they're also, they spin 360, which is very nice. So you don't have to be like perfect where you put this. You obviously stick it on with the little sticker down here in the back. It's got adhesive. But yeah, I really like that you can open it up, put the wires in, and close it. Now, I was playing with it, and I noticed that, if I close this, you can actually put a lot of wires in this thing. So this right here is a big HDMI cable and 2 other little smaller cables, and it actually fit in there. So I put the HDMI cable there, and I put these little ones next to it. I don't know if that's easy to see. They fit. So I'm thinking about using this here actually to hold it onto my wall, but see how that's closed? And you open it up like that. So yeah, very high capacity. It'll hold a lot of cables, and it's extremely small, and I like that it spins 360. It does come with extra pads, so if you put this on and then you want to pull it off, they come with a couple extra pads in the container, and I think I got the 6-pack. Yeah, I got a 6-pack of them. So really nice, and they feel really good. I like that little click. There you go.